Hi friends, I would like to share with you one of the acts towards environment, taking care of the earth, that is waste management. Every day we have some or the other waste, and this is my waste, food waste today. And I have in the kitchen two boxes, one for non-degradable and degradable. So non-degradable waste, there is the plastic. Of course, this is for this video I took it. Usually I don't eat anything that is covered with the plastic, but anyway, just for the video sake, it was there already. And then banana peel and other things. Tissue, I don't use tissue. This again, it was already used there. I put it here. Okay, so all that thing we put it in this two boxes. This is segregation. That is the first part of waste management. And with this waste, we will be doing the composting. For composting, we need a pot like this, or a bucket, or a drum with some aeration. This I have not made any aeration, only 1 or 2 holes are underneath. Some of the things that we require, of course, the wet waste, dry leaves, and some soil. So these are the things required. First, we will put the dry leaves. This has highest carbon inside. With 30-40% of leaves I put it. This also serves as a carbon. Paper or the cardboard, all this serves as a carbon. Then I altogether put the wet or the kitchen waste, the greens, whatever, or if you have weeds, all that thing you could put. If you are able to cut it into smaller, it is better, so that the composting becomes faster. After I put this, I put the soil. This is ordinary soil. I cover this one and spread it a little bit. And then you can put also the eggshells. This is very good for plants. It has got calcium. And then also the coffee or tea powder waste, all these things I put it here. It will also serves as a good manure. And then again I put the dry leaves. So main component of the compost is the wet waste that we have, the mud, the dry leaves, the carbon. So we need air, water, not too much and not too little. It requires some moist. And after this I cover it nicely and keep it this way, and I put a stone so that cats or dogs don't open it. And when you put the dry leaves on top, it also keeps the house flies far, or the small insects far. Okay, after this, tomorrow I repeat the process. Friends, we shall see what happened to the waste that we had put. So here we have different pots. This is the waste one day that we already covered and kept, and here we have 1 week waste. I cover and keep. This is 1 week old, and this one is 2 weeks old. If you put this way, you can feel a kind of warmth. That means it is getting decomposed. The microbes are working, so it is there. So this is 3 weeks already getting decomposed. Already the food that you have put, it's almost disappearing. This is 4 weeks or more than a month. Already the food that we have put all disappeared. It's broken into pieces, and also we don't have the smell. Here there is a smell, but here there is no smell. So this is more than 1 month old. And here we have, this is 2-3 pots. I put it together in this big pot. This is already broken, and you can see already it has become black and already broken into pieces. And this is the best part of it, the compost manure. What you saw the first day, the dirty waste, and then first week, second week, third week, and then here more than a month or 2 months. Here this is more than 2 months. To be exact, it is 75 days. And the waste, that the stinking waste that you are seeing there, has become very good manure, broken into pieces, and we can sieve it and also preserve it, dry it and preserve it for about 6 months. So dear friends, the work is not very tedious, very simple. Every day spend 5 to 10 minutes, that's all. But the purpose is, no waste should go out from our house, from our kitchen. Everything we can make it into fine manure, and this is very good for the plants. This is not just the show, but this is my practical experience and example.